A motorcycle and a passenger car collided in Springfield Saturday afternoon, but thankfully, no serious injuries were reported and the motorcyclist declined transport. The crash occurred in Springfield on Memorial Boulevard, just a block up from Payne Chevrolet. The first call coming into 911 at 10:20 a.m. The crash left the motorcycle with heavy damage, one official telling Smoky Barn News that the rider was lucky to have escaped the crash with only minor injuries. According to Robertson County EMS, the rider declined transport. Officials said the occupants of the passenger car were not injured. The cause of the crash was not immediately available.
Payne Chevrolet, 9 decades, 4 generations, 1 tradition.